just crazy. I mean, he's so far up there you can hardly see him even on the camcorder. Going down. Trent's doing his job there. Okay, well, John is somewhere way in the fuck up there. I don't know if you can see him or not, but there's your Christmas tree, Junior. Mm-hmm. No shit. It looks worse. There's a Jesus. Oh, fuck is that?
Look at it. He topped it right there. Look at all the sunlight let in. That tree's a sway. Nice. There's the top of the Christmas tree. Look at that. Big ol' 25-foot section.
Okay, hook up the satellite dish.
This is him topping it. There it goes, there it goes. Oh. Woo. Damn. All kinds of stuff falling. There she is, top though.
Look at that thing still wobble.
Dude. Crazy, 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 crazy. Damn. Nice. Nuts. Nuts. Ugh. There's another bundle coming down.
That's how we get Christmas trees at Magic Springs. We climb all the way up and cut the tops off. Stuck.
There's another bundle. Touchdown.
This is how you save your roof.
Taking down the big old branches. way up there. There's our monkey. Tree climber. He's gonna top this thing right here pretty soon. And these are some of the trees that are right above my house. These 4 or 5 trees go right by my house. So we're working pretty close.
You think? You got a computer at home?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, what I'll do is I'll put that on YouTube after. And then
It goes
I'll
straight
get
to
your
YouTube.
Email, and I'll email you, and I'll tell you what, and I'll email it off of YouTube.
Cool. Video when I do the top.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now.
We're gonna get